Mentake sengi ka nyautrik unailur araja arhulai ka megale estimate committee jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kalahir ban Jurip ya ka jingtai ya ka Industrial Training Institute ka baduna po kashnong sa Akwang Southwest Khasi District. Yakini ka ITI latay ha ka jingmang pisa ka bakot hadu nyauklur tengka lengba ka ESDI scheme jong ka sarkar India. Yakini ka committee lalam khamat daw ba Meral Bonds Aim MLA ka Nongpo constituency rangkat ka jingasin ran uba renuktan langdo tongkar MLA ka Mawphor constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA ka North Shillong Waila Chilla MLA ka Juwai ka Miani D Shira MLA ka Ampati u Remington G Momin MLA Ramrai Udaman Bait Lamare MLA ka Umroy badu Arbingstone Marak MLA jong ka Salsela constituency. Kiwepat Kibalaydon lang bilong kakong Anita Karpor, Director Employment and Craftsman Training Shillong, but ki officer na po ka PWD u mentri shnong sa akwang uba es kharja rin lembat kiwe de.
Then YMA, then computers, office assistant and computers, then multimedia animation and special effect, and driver cum mechanic. Those are the 5 trades that.
The committee on estimate of Meghalaya State Assembly is mandated by the government, by the assembly, to follow up issues, pending project or the ongoing project, especially with regards to the estimate that has been made, whether there are issues with regard to calculation of rate, issues with the estimate, and at the same time to follow up issues that the project has to be completed on time, on stipulated time, and to ensure that the quality of work is to be 100% monitored by the implementing agency. So we are here today to have the first-hand information. In the morning we have visited the Science and Commerce College in Mawphor, funded through the MSPR Ministry of Donor, which has been, the project has been stopped. And then we have inspected even the intermediate lane, for the construction of intermediate lane of the road right from Mawphor till Wailon. And now we are here in Sakwang for the inspection of this ITI here. Publish pun na kemudian jung lomba jung sedar ngai publi dor bersnong baro di balano subhai kini jaka duna ka sawaka malumala kalau kita ya ka subha jaka di kana naga bantaban sinai kini ITI di subuni tiba buat komiti di baro. You have seen the administrative block and you have seen the rooms where the practical will be held here, and we have seen the surrounding fencing also have been completed, even the compound have been properly made. So the committee is happy to see. So on this note, and we are happy to see that all the 5 trades that has been prepared to be made fully functional here. We will hope to see the light of the day. Kani kalau ngujing mentoy na kamentagi pa ibaan functional jong the Southwest Khasi District apa Gowi District kiba pada Islam tham no Islam arajar khatar bala yekene district mentai la yo yekene ITI itna nang pengjing mentoy jeng ki kun samla jong gedong bala thang ban training yelede hakini ki santli kini snat rekam kibaka department jong ka employment and craftsman la de banbu kene ka jaka kumbala apa sutu kini ki trade kibaran hang ni kini nagamenta ka surface ornamentation technique embroidery sujan nang ta kini ki wireman ban snalaj nang ta kini ka OACP nang ta kapasaw ding multimedia animation special effect nang ta kapasan ding driver kom mechanic kini ki samla Yo ban ti sing kai ro ker nang ni kan long jing toy na ga ban ta jong ki nok som snong jong kan ne ka district ka bi ki jong ni southwest Khasi apo jong ne headquarter Mawphor po sa kwang ni di kalong jing kemen ka kha ba komiti bi ni wan ka ne ka por ni da bi su kemen bang yi ba ka kam ka ya step ka dep kloy.
I'm happy to see that this institution here has come up to the stage that we are here today, at the stage of completion of the construction. I'm very, very happy to express my sincere thanks to the department for sanctioning this project, this institution out here, the PDD building, for executing this work properly, and the contractor as well. Even though we understand that there are some remaining part, that is to take over, the contractor to hand over to the building, and building to hand over to the department. So this remaining part, I will request you to process and to complete as early as possible. We want to see the light of the day, and that is to function this institute. Our students from here, they are still taking the learning from outside the district as of today, and we are hopeful that as soon as this institute starts from here, you will get many students who would like to join here. And I know that you'll have the space will not be sufficient to accommodate all the students. Therefore, I want to request once again that let us work together to ensure that we start functioning this institute as early as possible and as planned. We understand that there are some reasons, some excuses that we may say that we still need electricity, we still need water supply, but I want to tell you one thing, that you will not get 100% to have everything at one go. Therefore, let us bear with all these insufficient things that are still there, short the basic needs that are still there, because we know that we will be able to complete, to get everything only when we have staff in place out here, because the staff who will be working here, they will be responsible, and they will work, they will run to find out for the need of this